Hey there, it's Kate from Pawson Media. Today I'm just going to show you how to use Instagram on your phone, how to upload pictures, add some filters, etc. So the first thing you need to do is you need to download Instagram from the App Store. So you can go ahead and do that. Once you have that done then, the Instagram icon will actually appear on your phone. It's just a little camera picture there. So what you want to do then is you want to go ahead and you click on the Instagram icon, and now you're going to actually be setting yourself up with an Instagram account. If you're new to Instagram, if you already have an account, it's just going to show you your account with your pictures. So it's really simple. You just choose a username. That's probably the hardest part because a lot of names will be gone. So sometimes, like for this particular account, I had to put a number 1 at the end of it because I couldn't just get Coco and Joey. But go ahead, there's plenty of combinations you can come up. You just need to be a little bit creative. Choose a password, set yourself up, and then you're going to actually fill in your profile details. So you just click on edit your profile. I'll just show you there, and it'll allow you to put in a name, put in a website, put in some details. Don't forget to use your little emojis here. They really do make the account pop. Put in your email address, put in your phone number, and you're done. Okay, so that updates that. So basically when you're in Instagram, there's a few icons across the bottom. These are the ones you want to focus on mainly. If you're looking at the display of your account, there's two options to display the pictures. You can have them in a format underneath each other, like I have them here, or if you didn't want that, you could actually click on this option and you can show the pictures in a grid. It just allows you to see more of the pictures at once. But if you're viewing the pictures individually, sometimes it's nice to have them bigger so you can actually really see, the features of the picture. Okay, but as I said, there's some main buttons across the bottom here that you need to get familiar with. So the first one here is your little house button, and what this is, it's basically the news feed of everybody that you follow. So everyone that you follow will be in here, all of their pictures that they've posted, and you can just scroll through these. If you like any of them, you just double tap on the picture. Obviously if you want to comment, then you just click the little comment button and you can actually type a comment in. So it'd be this little comment button here you'd press. And that's your news feed. Okay, the next button across the bottom then here is for searching. So this basically is for searching for people or hashtags. The main thing behind Instagram is that people put hashtags after their comments. So hashtag dog, hashtag cat, hashtag marketing, whatever it is that they do. And then people can search those hashtags and find pictures related to them. So let's just show you here. So we can search people. So if you knew somebody who had an account, like obviously we have our Pet Sitters Island account. So I start typing in Pet Sitters. That takes me to my Pet Sitters Island account. But if I wanted to find pictures of dogs, okay, I'm going to type in dogs. I'm going to select hashtags, okay, and it'll tell me that there are hashtag dogs for 15.5 million pictures, okay, and when I click on the hashtag dogs, then it'll take me to all of the people who have posted pictures and they've used the hashtag dogs. Okay, my internet's a little bit slow here, so it's a little slow loading up all of those pictures. But you can scroll then through the pictures and you can see, and that's a great way to connect with other people. For example, my dogs are pointers, so I put hashtag pointers after their pictures, and what that means is I can actually go in and find other people who have pointers and comment on their pictures, and see other dogs of their type, of their breed. Okay, so the next icon we have here then is this one, and this is the notification feature. And this is basically anybody who's commented, liked, started to follow you, they're all listed in here. Okay, so this is where, if somebody started following you, you can decide whether you want to follow them back. If they've commented, you might want to go into the comment that they've made. Like this person here made a comment on Coco's picture saying that she was precious. So if I wanted to go into this one, I could click on the picture. Okay, I can scroll down, I can see where she left her comment, and then I can reply back to her and tag her and comment on her picture. Okay, so that's how you use the notifications. The last one then is the little person, and that basically just takes you back to your home screen. Okay, so that's where we were at the beginning. So now I'm going to show you how to upload pictures. So like I said, the middle button here, that's for uploading pictures, and you have two options. You can either press this button and take a picture within Instagram, okay, or you can upload a picture that you already have, and then use the filters to edit that picture. Okay, this allows you to just flick the screen back round, so that you can do a selfie of yourself, or you can do videos, but we'll get into videos and selfies and all that later. We're just going to basically show you now how to upload a picture you've already taken. So you want to click on this because this takes you to your camera roll. Okay, and let's see, can we find a nice picture? This is a nice one here of Joey lying down as usual. Okay, now I've actually already posted this to Instagram, but it'd be good to show you how to use the filters. Okay, so once you've chosen the picture you want to actually add to Instagram, you just click next here at the top. Okay, and here you can actually choose filters, and I think this is one of the great things about Instagram, is that it can really make you look like a great photographer. Now this is a pretty good picture of Joey anyway, you know, it's got nice lights and bright colour behind it, but you could definitely make the colours pop more. So all you need to do is scroll along, you know, trying out some of the different filters, see how they change the actual look of the picture. So they make them lighter or darker, and there's loads of filters. Okay, you can even go black and white if you wanted to. You can have that kind of hazy look around it. Um, make him brighter, kind of more orange. Okay, so which one are we going to go for? Could spend hours on this finding the perfect filter, but let's just choose this one, Juno. Okay, so we've chose this one here, Juno. If you wanted to then individually sort of adjust the picture, you can actually go into these two settings here. Okay, this one will automatically just slide up for you to give you brightness on the picture. If you want to adjust that yourself, then you can do. I kind of like the way it just takes it up to 50. I think it just makes the colours pop slightly. If you wanted then to do something more specific with the photo, you just click on the little kind of spanner there, and you can just do loads of things. You can do brightness, contrast, warmth, saturation, color, fade, highlights, shadows. There's loads of stuff. You can sharpen your picture, and you can just adjust it yourself. If you have a clean, yeah, you can see it really does bring out the sharpness there. So say you wanted to make it the color brighter, you can actually put some tones of purple or blue, or you can make a green. Like, you really can do some amazing things. Now a lot of the time you're just going to want to use a filter. I mean, a filter is going to give you, if we just go back, a filter, if you want to go back to the filter, sorry, it's just here. A filter is just going to give you enough. It's going to take a photo that maybe isn't as bright and sharp as it could be, and it's just going to give it that little bit of pop. So when you're first using Instagram, I just stick to the basic filters across the bottom. If you need to just add a bit of lightness, use your middle button here. So use your middle button here and just adjust slightly. Okay. Okay. What we need to do then is we're going to click next, and this is where we're actually going to post the picture to Instagram. So this is where you write your caption. So, hello, my name is Joey, hashtag Joey. I love to nap and fight with my sister Coco. Okay. Then I'm going to choose some hashtags. Well, then I'm going to choose some emojis. Emojis basically you get from, let me just go back for you there. You actually get from the little smiley icon on your keyboard. And it just makes the comments pop a little bit more. So you might put some dogs in. I love to nap, so let's put some Z's in to show him napping. A little heart because he loves his sister. And then maybe, I don't know, another little doggy picture. Whatever you want to put in. Sometimes you could put them within the picture. So instead of saying I love, you might have put a little heart in there. So I heart to nap and fight with my sister. Okay, so once you have everything that you're going to say in there, you know, a nice little story about what your pet's been up to or whatever it is you're promoting, click OK. And then basically you just share it to Instagram. Now, I'm not going to share this picture because I've already shared it once, but you just share it to Instagram, and then it's going to appear back on that home feed that we saw right at the beginning. Now, there's other things you can do. You can tag people, add maps, you know, map the location, share it on Facebook. But this is just the basics of getting your Instagram account up and running, and then you can, you know, tune into some of the other features that you can actually use. So I hope this has been helpful. If you've got any questions, please do let me know. Go to the website, pawsomemedia.com, fill out the contact form and get in touch. Okay, thanks and have a great day.